Hey guys, we got you service information here. Looking at a 2018 GMC Yukon today. Customer was complaining about a tick noise coming from the engine bay. The vehicle's got around 76,000 miles on it. It does have the 5.3 V8 engine, active fuel management engine, shutting down cylinders. And we found the noise coming from the right bank, right around the cylinder 6 area. It did have a P0300 random misfire stored. It didn't have they didn't tell you which cylinder it was coming from, but we heard the noise loud and clear here on this side, the cylinder 6. Pulled the valve cover off and running it, you can see we had no movement of the rocker arm on cylinder 6. Figured we might have had a bent push rod here, so we pulled the push rod out, and sure enough, here bent in a couple different spots. So we definitely have a lifter issue. We're going to have to pull the cylinder head off to get the lifters out. And then we'll inspect the camshaft down through the lifter bores. Another image of the push rod bent here. So most likely the collapsed AFM lifter here on cylinder 6 is the failure. As far as the valve cover and stuff goes, nice and clean, so it doesn't look like we had a lack of maintenance issue or lack of lube. The engine oil was full. Condition of the oil was good. Looks like the customer maintained the engine. I mean, it's very easy to tell. Usually when you get these apart, there's no sludge or varnish or anything anywhere. So we just got another active fuel management lifter failure here on a GM engine. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.